welcome back to my channel. We are here with yet another new video. How have you guys been? I hope summer's been treating you really well. Today, let's first welcome our new member. Ta-da! We have a new sewing machine. Finally, I got a new one. If you guys have been here before, you would know that I used to use this old sewing machine, which did get the job done, but it didn't really have any functions. This one does, and I'm so excited to use it. I've never used an electric machine before, so this is my first time. Still trying to figure out how to actually do all these functions. We will learn as we go, and I will take you guys in that journey with me. Just in case you guys were wondering, this is the Singer 1409. I got it off of Amazon and it cost around 11,000 rupees. Today we will be making this adorable mini skirt on our new sewing machine, so let's get started. This is the fabric that I'll be using. It is butter silk in grey. This is the little sketch that I have in mind. The project on its own is pretty simple. The point of it is literally just to get used to the machine. All of my markings here. This is the top panel and this is the bottom one, which will have the ruffles. We need two of these and we need two of these, and that will be it. So first we're just going to mark and then cut all the fabrics. Guys, I got this new scissor. If you've seen my previous videos, you would know that my previous scissor used to snag through all the fabrics and it was so annoying. But this one, it is so smooth. I love it. Here we have our first panel. Just finished cutting all the 4 panels. These are the 2 top panels and these are the 2 bottom ones. I kept the back panel of the top part a little bigger because I felt like it would have gotten too tight. So these are just the 2 huge panels for the bottom one. Hi guys, now it's time to get started with the sewing part. First we're gonna make our gathered ruffles. For that we're just gonna make like a basic loosest possible straight stitch and then gather it to make the ruffles.
Which I've been trying to do for the last 30-40 minutes, and I almost had a breakdown because I broke my needle, then the needle got stuck like a million times.
I did end up changing the needle, and after so much struggling, I also did end up making my first ruffle. It's adorable. And now we're gonna together make our second ruffle. The thing is, I wanted to make 2 straight stitches and then make the ruffles, but I was so done after the first one, so we're just gonna make 1 straight stitch and then make the ruffles. I honestly have no idea what I was doing wrong because the needle was getting stuck. This is my second needle that I'm changing. Today I bent the needle, yesterday I broke the needle. So it's already going very... We'll learn, it's okay. Actually, the more chaotic the start is, it just gets smoother and smoother. If the start is way too smooth, it doesn't go smoother usually. I don't know what that means, but okay, let's get started. This one surprisingly went pretty smooth. Now we can make the ruffles. Yay! I just finished pinning the ruffles and I'm so excited to see how they actually turn out. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and have breakfast because I am starving. Hey, I'm back and now we can finally start sewing our top and bottom panel together using a zigzag stitch. I'm so excited to use it. I always used to see other people use it and I was like, I also want to use it, but I could not. Now I can finally do it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. I'm so excited. Try to figure this out and see if it works or not, because I've been messing up a lot. Well, we are just learning, so it's okay. But yeah. Ouch. Okay. Ah. I'm not used to using two hands on this one because I used to do that thing with the other hand on the old machine. So yeah, we gotta learn. Oh, the thread went out, guys. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. Also, it started raining.
Where's the thread?
The weather is like, it was sunny, but now it feels like it's gonna, start really, really badly pouring. I broke another needle, guys. I only have one needle left. If I can't with it, then I have to go buy another and probably won't be able to finish this today. Oh my god, I'm so tired, but we gotta keep going, okay? I finished sewing the front and the back panel. Now we're gonna sew them together to form the base of the skirt. It was a struggle, but I can see it coming together. We only have the elastic and hemming left after this, so let's see if we can do this without breaking the needle. Guys, our skirt base is ready. It looks so cute already. We just have the elastic and hemming to do and we shall be done. Our skirt is finally done. I am so happy with it. It took me so long, but after so many mess ups, we finally did it. The hemming part actually took me the longest because the thread kept breaking. I think it was some problem with me trying to match up the speed of my feet and trying to match up the speed of me trying to, sew it, which I'm not used to that since the previous machine was a hand machine. So this one, I have to utilize my feet, which is something I have to get used to. It will take a lot of practice, but we will do it. I know, I trust myself, and I will take you guys with me and show you the reality of trying to learn something. I can't wait to try it on, so let's go ahead and try her on. Okay. I want all of you guys to be the judge, so before I say anything, go ahead and comment down what you think. Okay, now, I'm in love with it. Is that even a question? This is adorable, it's cute, I love the color, I love the silhouette, I love everything about it. Yes, it has imperfections, but so do we. We are beautiful with our imperfections and so is she. It does not have any detailings as you can see, but it's okay. I can add details if I want, or else it can be just a cute add-on to my closet. Let me know if you girlies also want to make this. I will make a full detailed tutorial on this. And now, enjoy a close-up. Alright, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed making this skirt, and I'm always grateful to have all of you here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Stay safe and stay happy till then. Bye.